Thank you for joining me. Welcome to TJ's Maths Clinic. In today's presentation, we continue with our solutions to WAEC 2025. This is for school candidate, elective mathematics. That is further mathematics paper 2, May, June, section A, which is the compulsory part. With us here is question 4. In my previous video, I've solved question 1 to 3. Let's look at how we can handle this question 4. We are asked to resolve 2x minus 7 upon 25x minus 24. That's 25x minus 24 minus 6x squared into partial fraction. Of course, this is partial fraction. We are asked to decompose this compound fraction into partial fraction, or we are asked to split this compound fraction into partial fraction. This question carry 6 marks. Let's look at how we can solve this. Let's write down the solution. If we observe our denominator, this is, we have quadratic factors. Is quadratic in the denominator. Let's see how we can factorize this first. Let's rearrange this in quadratic form. That will be minus 6x squared plus 25x minus 24. Let's try to factorize. Two factors, we multiply minus 6 by minus 24. That will be 144. Two factors of 144 that can give us 25 are 16 and 19. We replace the middle term by those two factors, and we are trying to factorize now. This will now be minus 6x squared plus 9x plus 16x minus 24. We can group this and factor out. Let's group this and factor out. What is common here, of course, is minus 3x into 2x. Here, of course, will be minus 3. What is common here is plus 8. That will be plus 8 into 2x minus 3. Okay, very important. You see that what we have in the bracket are the same. So we take what we have outside. That will be minus 3x plus 8 in one bracket, then 2x minus 3 in another bracket. Very important. So this will be the factorization of this quadratic expression in the denominator. So we can easily split this now into partial fraction. It means 2x minus 7 upon 25x minus 24 minus 6x squared will now be equivalent to, we want to split it now, it will be a, it will now be a divided by minus 3x plus 8 plus b divided by 2x minus 3. We have split it into partial fraction now. The only thing is we have to find the constant a and b. Why are we having a here? The power of x in the denominator is 1. So the power of x here will be 0. So x power 0 will be 1. That's why we're having a. The same thing here. Assume that we have quadratic here, we'll have ax here plus b. Very important. So there are two ways. We can either use cover up method or comparing the coefficient. So let me use cover up method. Very easy. We cover this, then we multiply this, then we equate it to the numerator. Or we can find the LCM and multiply 2. But let's use cover up method. But whatever, if you are using cover up method, we'll pick only the numerator. So it will be a multiplied by 2x minus 3. So I will pick only the numerator now. That will now be 2x minus 7 will now be equals to a into 2x minus 3, then plus b into minus 3x plus 8. So this is what I'm going to have. So here the aim is to find a and b. If we look at it very well, what can we do to eliminate a? We think of what can we do to eliminate a. If we can't do that, we can clear the bracket and look at those with x, and if you can't use elimination method, we can clear the bracket and compare the coefficient. So this will be 2x minus 7. Let's clear the bracket. 2ax minus 3a minus b times 3, that x, that will be 3bx, then plus 8b. Let's rearrange those with x. This will now be 2x minus 7 will be equals to, we have this, they are having x. Let's factor the x out. 2a minus 3b. Then we have the constant as minus 3a plus 8b. Very important. Okay. Uh, Here we can compare the coefficient now. We are using comparing the coefficient. Okay. Instead of after using the cover up, we have to apply comparing the coefficient. So we have x squared. Those with x on the left and right, we equate it. So it will be x into 2a minus 3b will be equals to 2x. You can remove this x such that 2a minus 3b will be equals to 2. Let's call this equation 1. Again, let's move here and remove these parts. Again, we can look at the constant now. That will be minus 3a plus 8b will be equals to minus 7. This is now equation 2. So let's solve this system of equations simultaneously to find a and b. Equation 2 is 2a, equation 1 rather minus 3b equal to minus 3a plus 8b equal minus 7. Let's eliminate a. Let's multiply this by minus 3, then multiply this by 2. This will be minus 6a plus 9b minus 6. Minus 6a plus 16b equals to minus 14. Let's subtract so that a will go. Then 9b minus 16b, that will be minus 7b. That will be minus 7b. Minus 16 minus 14. That, of course, minus 16 minus 14 will be uh, plus 8. Very important, because minus times minus is positive. That will be equals to 8. Let's leave this expression and move here. Let's find b now with verb outside by minus 7. B now will be minus 8 divided by 7. If b is minus 8 divided by 7, what will be our a? Let's substitute into one of the equation. Let's use equation 2 to be minus 3a minus 3 into minus 8 divided by 7 will now be equals to 2. Minus 3a now will be plus 24 divided by 7 equal 2. Let's multiply 2 by 7 to clear the fraction. Multiply this by 7, that will be minus 21a, plus multiply this by 7, that's 24, will be equals to, multiply this by 7, that will be 14. Minus 21a now will be equals to 14 minus 24. Our aim is to find a, since we know b as minus 8 divided by 7. So we have minus 21a will now be equals to 14 minus 24, that's minus 10. Divide both sides by minus 21. Minus 21. A now will be, this will divide this, then we have 10 divided by 21. So this is our A. Can we reduce this? No. So this is our A. A is 10 divided by 21. We substitute back now. Finally, the expression now, let me write it down here. The fraction now, after splitting, will be 2x minus 7 divided by 25, x 24 minus 6x will now be equivalent to a, which is 10 divided by 21. That will be 10 minus to be 21 into 3x. Let me write 21 into minus 3x plus 8. Then b is minus 8 divided by 7 into, let me write it well, it's equivalent to, let me take it here, a, that will be 10 divided by 21 into minus 3x plus 8. Then b is minus 8 divided by 7 into 2x minus 3. So this will be the solution now. 10 divided by 21, bracket open, minus 3x plus 8, minus 8 divided by 7 into 2x minus 3. So this will say to be the partial fraction of this compound fraction when we split it into partial fraction. So this is the solution to this question. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to TJ's Maths Clinic for more interesting videos. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. See you in my next video, God's willing, with question 5, 6, 7 in that order. Thank you for watching.